everybody, this is Kyle Byron. We are going to look at some leftover T-bone steaks. They don't look very nice anymore, but when I took those off the grill the other night, they looked amazing and delicious. But I gotta eat these leftovers, they were expensive. Here's how I do it. What you need is a steak knife and a fork and a big cutting board. Next thing you want to do, obviously, is cut the bones off. Make sure you flip the bone over and cut on both sides to get all the bits. Okay, now I got the bones on one side. I can get rid of those or give them to a small animal. And I got this pile of like a big piece of meat and a bunch of little pieces. And to be honest, this does not look appetizing, and that's the problem. Take the big pieces, cut them into medium-sized pieces, and take those little bits and chuck it all in a Vitamix or blender like a Blendtec or a Ninja. Set it on the lowest setting. Now I have something that is visually more appealing. It's ground beef. I can throw that in the fry pan if I'm worried a little bit about food safety or if it's undercooked. The gristle will come apart very easily in your mouth. This can go on a cracker, on a sandwich. You can have it in a salad or with some raw vegetables. This is how I do it. If I want to get fancy, I can pack it into a little bowl. Do yourself a favor and wash that blender right away. And now I have this beautiful lunch. Man, that was so good, so delicious, but just a quick warning, the Vitamix or the blender is not gonna completely manipulate or mash up all the hard fat on the gristle. So there is gonna be a little bit there. You might have to sort of get the serviette and sort of pick a little bit of that out. But I would much prefer that than having these big, gnarly, stringy pieces that you would get had I not put it through the blender. So really, I hope you can give this a try and let me know what you think.